Hello, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Time to talk about the butterfly tree. Oh, Vitex Agnus Castus. This is a fabulous small tree, large shrub. Kind of wants to just be a big shrub, but you can prune it into a small tree. And every summer, the butterflies just come flocking to this baby. Wonderful summer bloomer. It does go deciduous in the winter. This one's great for USDA zones 5 through 9. It will die to the ground in zones 5 in really cold winters, but it'll come roaring back up with new growth in the springtime. And then the summer, you get all these wonderful purple flowers. This is a drought-tolerant plant, too. It's actually on my drought-tolerant list. But I love it because it attracts the widest range of butterflies in my garden. I live in San Diego, and so this particular summer we had the Western Swallowtail, the Anise Swallowtail, and of course monarchs are all over this particular plant. So it's a really neat plant, and there's links in the comment section for ordering some for your garden. It does great in warm conditions where it doesn't have any frost issues. It will get big. This baby can get up to 20 feet tall. I've seen some in the Central Valley that were 20 feet tall. The other fun thing about this plant is notice that the foliage kind of looks like marijuana. So it actually has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries in Spain and France where it's native to, but that's a whole nother funny story. It does give you a very aromatic scent when you roll it up, let's just say. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.